Okay, so we have a Christmas party tonight. I wanna try a new look. We're gonna do kind of like a waved look with the straightener. If you have the beach waver and longer hair, you can use that. So I'm gonna take a section and we're gonna go back and forth like this. Okay? New section, so I'm just taking my wrist and we're going literally up, down, up, and I'm moving it down the hair as I do this. This is gonna be cute. Okay, the spray is clogged, so we're just gonna use the anti-gravity gel. Next section. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Did it work? Cute! I love it. This is what drives me crazy right now with this length. I love the length because all of my hair is not that length. I still have a lot of layers. It creates almost just like graduation on the sides and the bottom. So I'm waiting because I want like a French bob look, but I can't have that until all of it's the same length. Did you see how this area all comes out versus this one coming in? So I think that's why I'm liking this look. Mike is trying to figure out what graduation means right now. That is the right terminology. So let's do the back. Okay, we got it working. Hair Resort. We're gonna spray this in. It's gonna give it, it has sea salt in it, so it's gonna give it like a very textured, piecey shine to it. Sea salt. Yep, wait, this is too cute. So I'm gonna spray the back. Now for the other side. And then I'm keeping the ends straight. I don't want them like too kicked out. All right, I'm putting the Hair Resort in to define these waves. And we're gonna set it with hairspray. Oh. Wait, I love this. I don't know if it's because, it would be really cute if it was longer, but I think I like it just because it's finally something different I can do. Let's put on the outfit with it. Let's see.